Hi guys, welcome back to my myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara mini purse bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Evostic gum, also known as shoemaker gum, Ankara fabric, lining. We're going to be using battery, paper, scissors. I'm going to be using this cardboard as our pattern paper. The measurement for this Ankara purse will be 16.5 inches. So I'm using this cardboard paper as my pattern paper, and the width is 12 inches. So 16 inches by 12 inches. Now, when you have cut that out on your cardboard paper, then you want to measure. This is 12 inches. So from this point, 2 inches, you rule it. From this point also, 2 inches, you rule it straight down. So this point now, you can see, is 8 inches. So this is 2 inches, and this center line is 8 inches. So I do the line straight down. So this inside is 8 inches. Now let's continue to measure. This is 5 inches, the flap for the purse. This is 4.5 inches for the back. Then for the base, 2.5 inches. Then this is 4.5 inches. So this is 5 inches for the flap. This is 4.5 inches for the back. This is 2.5 inches for the base, and this is 4.5 inches for the front. So now on the side, now I extended this back. Between this back and this flap, I extended the line. You can see the line on the both sides. Then from this back, I extended half an inch, and I ruled a straight line. I also did the same here. From this back line, half an inch, and I ruled a straight line. So what I just did was just to cuff out this, and I did the same thing to this other side. Then this flap too, I also cuff the entrance of the flap. So this is the measurement that I have here. So all these parts now, I'm going to cut them. Off. So see how I am cutting. I'm going to cut from here. I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to cut here. I'm cutting. Then I'm going to cut this off. You get the cotton now. So I'm going to cut this same part. I am done cutting now. See what I have left. So let's fold this purse the way I want it to go. Let's say this is the way our purse is going to look like. So I'm going to place this on a carry board or paper fiber, and I'm going to cut the same thing out. This is it, guys. I cut the paper fiber using this. So what I did was also I measured it, I traced it out, then I cut it. So this paper fiber is 1 centimeter longer than the cardboard paper, as you can see. So now I'm going to be wrapping this with lining. Then I'll be wrapping this with Ankara fabric with the help of your Evostic gum. I'm going to do that. I already covered this with my lining, the cardboard paper, and I left extra lining here. I did the same thing to the carry board. I left extra Ankara fabric here. The next thing you want to do is to fix bag lock here before we start joining our bag together. So we are going to fix bag lock somewhere here, and this is bag lock. We are just going to punch somewhere and fix it in. Now we'll fix bag handle on the paper fiber. This is the bag handle I am using. I am going to be using this to clip it together. Then you use your hammer to beat it so it can stay in place. You're also going to do the same for this other side. I'll use my hammer to beat the bag handle off camera. So now the next thing we want to do is to join both the lining and the fabric together. We are going to be starting from here. So you apply your gum. I'm going to join it together. I apply gum on the lining and on the Ankara fabric. Always wait for your gum a bit to dry before you gum your work. So now we're going to gum this. We are going to gum this way. So you apply your gum. Apply your gum here. Always allow your gum to dry. So guys, after gumming the side of your purse, before we gum the rest of the purse, we want to cover the purse so that we'll get where to fix this other bag lock. I'm going to get where you're going to fix the other bag lock and make a mark. Okay, so we're going to be fixing this other lock. Okay, when that is done, I'm now going to apply your gum on the rest of the purse. After applying your gum, always wait for it a bit to dry before you gum your bag. When that is done, it's time to fix back chain on the handle of the bag. This is the back chain I'm using. So guys, I've come to the end of my Ankara tutorial. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment your opinion about this course in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next